Great. So now stretch both legs forward. Stretch both legs forward first. Inhale. Exhale, lie back on your back, lie down. Good. We're gonna be bending on the sides without lifting our body up, okay? So start with stretch your hands at the back first. Put your hands at the back, stretch it, put them together, interlock them together. Put your legs together also. Engage, no, Leon, legs together. Engage yourself, feel strong. Good. While you're stretching straight, you're really growing taller. So imagine you're growing taller. Interlock your fingers, stretch. Well done. And now start by moving your upper body towards each other. Leon, move your upper body towards Leon. Louise, good. Without moving, Leon, just shift your head. Yes, keep going. And make sure your back is still on the floor. Also move your legs towards each other. That will give you a full body stretch. Try to do that without lifting your other leg up, Lilu. Your butt should be on the floor. Yes. Okay. Good, Luis. You've done a good banana there. Leon, try also. Lift your middle part of the body. Lift your middle part, Lilu. Leon, put your hand down. And yes, exactly. Relax like that. Good. Breathe. 3 breaths. Breathe. Stretch. Breathe. Good. Excellent. Now try to do opposite banana direction. Move on the other side now. Without lifting your back. Leon, brace your back on the floor. Look at Lewis. Good. So move your leg towards the wall. Leon, move your leg towards that side. Good. And move your head also. Bend. Make a very good banana. Put your hands on the other side. Yes. But try to rest your butt on the floor, Lilu. Yeah, relax. Put your legs together. It's a bit challenging, guys. It might look easy, but it's not. You can see the younger boy is finding it a bit difficult, but still he's getting the results because he's just 6 years old. So get that good banana, Leo. Relax your hand down, the other hand down. The other hand. Yes. Put it on the floor. Good. That was fantastic. 3 breaths. Breathe in.